Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video because we are ending our semester together. I have spent the day with your class and I have graded everything. I've graded a lot today. I am so sorry I got behind on grading. It was just a really rough semester. I was pretty sick for quite a while, through October and into November. And so it was really difficult for me to keep up, and I know that it's difficult for everybody to keep up. So there's no excuses. I just wanted to apologize for that. I am just so very proud of you guys. You just all have grown so much this semester. And I am so just lucky to have such great students. So I just wanted to wish you well and hope that you have a really lovely break. And to an extent, I want to extend that invitation to you again, that just because you are not going to be in my actual class next semester doesn't mean that you are not welcome to come and visit. And if you need any help with anything, you go ahead and ask me, because I'm just going to always be your teacher because you've been in my class. So your podcasts were fantastic. I just am just so impressed with you. So have a lovely, lovely break. You all deserve it. You worked really hard this semester and you've just done an outstanding job. So I just wanted to put that out there for you, and I will hopefully see you in the future or hear from you, so you can let me know how you're doing. All right. Bye.